Okay, hi guys. This is Kennedy, and I'm going to show you guys two ways to import parts. The first way is with the built-in part, or 360 has a built-in feature where they use McMaster parts. So you're going to go to Insert, and you're going to go all the way down to Insert McMaster Part Component. And as you can see, a bunch of stuff pops up and whatever. So I'm just going to go and get, I guess, a screw. There we go. Yep. But like, if you're actually importing it, know what you want before you go and do it. So I'm just gonna get that one. We're gonna go to product detail. And you're gonna save it as a 3D step. Print, push save. And then bada bing, bada boom. Look, it's in your thing. So there you go. You have that, and it's gonna be in your, we have to save it, but it's gonna be in your data panel as well. So I'll just save this as like screw. Ooh, that's not spelled right, but it is. Okay, so that's how you import something from McMaster. I'll do it again, just saying the steps. So you're going to go to Insert McMaster-Carr component. You're gonna find what you're looking for. Make sure you know what you're looking for beforehand. Then you're going to click on it. I'm sorry, this is just moving slow today. And you're going to look at product detail. And then from there, you're going to download the 3D step. Alrighty, and now, say you want to use an external site like Vex. Very simple, very simple. We're gonna go look at a VersaFrame. So here you see we have our VersaFrame. And you're gonna go all the way down to CAD files. You're gonna want to preview so you know what it is. Make sure it's the right thing. And as you can see, it is a VersaFrame. You can change the way you look at it with the spinny thing at the top. You're gonna download it. And depending on how your computer is, my computer brings it down to the bottom. So once you do that, you're going to go to the upload section in your data panel. And you're just gonna drag and drop your file in there. Period. There we go. And now you have a VersaFrame. I hope this was helpful. It was very quick. So once again, you just have to go find your product that you're looking for on the site, if it's an external site. Click it, and then go all the way down to CAD files. Preview the CAD file before you decide to download it, then download it and upload it like you would do any other file. And that's all. And as you can see, we have our pre-drilled VersaFrame. Very simple, very straightforward. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.